Come on, dude, rage.
No! Seriously?
Seriously, one card. Who's daddy? Who's daddy?
Oh yeah, there! Take that!
Oh! You made me drop. I see how that is. Oh, see, I got a card to play that.
They're raging, but slowly.
Yeah, well, I got a card that can play on there too.
Oh.
God damn! Seriously? What the hell?
Oh,
Damn it!
yeah, that's right, boy.
They're raging on Uno, so it's funny.
Fuck
Look
off.
at Look at that. Draw two right here. Look. Oh. But you didn't get to play though. Swap dog.
Oh, fuck you.
Yeah. That's right. I turned to green just because I know you didn't have them.
Hey, Shadow, say hello.
Oh, go to hell. There.
Oh, fuck you. Draw two cards. Yeah. The only reason why it's working better now is because he actually got a player. You're generous. You actually got 4 players in this.
Yeah.
Sorry for you. He's going to turn green. Yeah, you ain't got none.
No.
I ain't got none. But I got to play mine.
Right.
That's right.
Yeah, shut up.
And I can get to play mine.
Damn it again! Come on! Seriously! Why in fucking Uno? Really? I'm not even good at Uno.
That's right.
Oh!
Yeah, well. You didn't change it back up.
Okay, what? I didn't have to draw that time.
Nope. But, that's right.
Yeah, shut up.
You bust this round down and it never gets turned the other direction. You are so annoying.
There's me.
There we go.
Right there. That's me. Easy.
I see how that is. Alright, okay.
I just thought I'd give myself a head start.
Yeah, you need to.
Yo, I'm recording this right now. Not much raging, actually.
How about that? Huh? Skip that? Oh, how about that? Skip that. You didn't get to play any of that.
I did. And I actually have more cards than you do.
Yeah, well, we're talking about Sydney over there. Look,
Uh-huh.
nice.
Oh, no! Oh, okay, good. Yes, 2 cards. Finally, he gave me a 2.
No.
Ha! Uno, bitch.
Yeah, you ain't got green, do you?
Uno again!
Those are the players raging.
Oh, no.
The top 2.
No. Hell no. You still green. Draw a card. Go ahead. That's right. Oh.
And round